Welcome. Welcome to the world of business. I'm Nokip Kimboy. Capital Markets Authority advises defrauded investors to report unregulated Cytonn high-yield solutions to the Capital Markets Fraud Investigation Unit. The police unit is currently investigating the issue for criminal violations for investors. Following numerous inquiries regarding the licensing status of the Cytonn Investment Group, CMA confirms that it is not a licensed and approved entity. The authority has a licensed Cytonn Asset Management Limited as a fund manager. The Capital Markets Authority has strongly cautioned investors against investing through unlicensed and unapproved entities. And talking about worker supply, the Kenya Plantations and Agricultural Workers Union, a KOTU affiliate, has signed a collective bargaining agreement with Kiptegich Tea Factory to help cushion workers from the adverse impact of COVID-19. The workers will be compensated at the rate of 6% per annum for the next